Earnings, Anisha, today, of course, was busy, but tomorrow it's going to be busy as well. As far as market heavyweights, Infosys and HUL, these two are expected to post their quarterly numbers. What are the expectations on both of these? Anisha, why don't you tell us exactly as far as these two companies are concerned? Let's get a lowdown on the expectations.
Absolutely. So in terms of earnings, let's start with the nifty companies, and we'll start with the IT major Infosys that is expected to report its numbers. When you look at it in terms of CC growth, we're expecting from a decline of 1% to a growth of 1%. So it could be in that range of negative to 1 to 1% in terms of CC growth. Dollar revenue growth of around 0.8%, while in terms of the rupee revenue, we're expecting it at 37,850 crores. Other than that, the EBIT margins expected to come in at 20.9%, and margins are expected to expand on easing supply side as well as productivity benefits that will work out well for the company as well. In terms of the ramp up, what our expectation is that ramp up of the recently won deals to offset the deal cancellation woes that are impacting the company. So that will be set off as well, and we're expecting the wage hikes to actually be pushed to Q2 and Q3 for Infosys. In Q1 FY24, the TCV number is expected to be flattish on a quarter-on-quarter basis as well. Let's watch out for what to expect in terms of the guidance. Maybe that could see a nudge up coming in as well. We could expect in terms of demand outlook as well as commentary from the management of Infosys, headcount trends, and what is the senior management attrition rate in the quarter gone by. That is important to watch out for from Infosys, as well as the deal win pipeline as well. Moving on to the HUL, which is the FMCG major, in terms of the revenue growth, 8% growth, but margins we're expecting an expansion of 80 basis point, profits of 14% uptick on a year-on-year basis, and volume growth expected at 5%. Now margins, obviously, let's not forget palm oil prices, PFAD prices have seen a correction coming in, so that will be something that is supporting the margins of the company. Only in the HFD segment that could see an impact coming in, because milk inflation has still seen an increase over there, and that is one of our concerns as well, because the company has taken a bit of price hikes over there as well. Summer business over here, that is the ice cream business, that could be subdued as well because of the unseasonal rains that have continued, as well as in terms of overall, we are expecting the company in the home care and the beauty care, personal care segment to see a moderate growing going forward as well. Let's keep an eye out on HUL, because Rohit Java, the new CEO, has taken over of the company. So what is his strategy, what is his outlook for the company going forward is something to watch out for, as well as what is the commentary on rural recovery, margin outlook, and improvement in HFD segment. What is the outlook over there are key factors to watch out for.
So that's what we're watching out for when it comes to those key earnings. Vinny walking us through the expectations of Infosys and HUL. And as soon as those numbers are out, we'll be sharing them with you and getting you the requisite analysis.